How to make your first millionaire as a total beginner in 2025. Hello everyone, my name is Sophie Tamara. In today's video, I will teach you guys how to make your first millionaire as a total beginner. Disclaimer, this is not a get-rich scheme, neither am I a financial advisor. This is me teaching you what has worked for me and worked for people around me that I know personally. So yeah, firstly, you need to learn a valuable skill. For example, video editing, script writing, content creation in general, everything related to content creation. These are the type of soft skills you need to learn. Bead making, craft making, racing making. Secondly, you need to create a digital product out of these skills that you have learned and sell it across all social media platforms. For example, you could sell on WhatsApp, you could sell on LinkedIn, you could sell on TikTok, you could sell on YouTube, you could sell on Instagram, you could sell on Facebook, you could sell on every single social network, okay? So yeah, when I say sell, I don't necessarily mean physical product. You could sell your services. For example, you have acquired a video editing skill. You could sell your service on Fiverr, on Upwork, on freelancing sites in general, okay? You could also sell your services on LinkedIn. You could sell your services on TikTok. With the rise of content creation, video editing is of high demand. So you can imagine you have 2 to 3 creators who has reached out to you to edit their videos. So you could make a lot of money from that as well. Like I said earlier, you could also render your services. For example, you are a UGC content creator, you are a video editor, you are a script writer. You could render these services, and get paid for it as a freelancer, or even working for a company or an organization online. Yeah. Thirdly, you could also go into affiliate marketing. But the thing about affiliate marketing is that you need promotion. You need to promote on TikTok, you need to promote on WhatsApp, you need to promote on Facebook, you need to promote on Instagram, you need to promote everywhere. That is what some of these big affiliate marketers won't tell you. Unless you already have an audience, probably you have an audience on TikTok, on YouTube, on Facebook, then it is easier to push out your affiliate link. You can also participate in $0 airdrop on X. If you want to know more about $0 airdrop, click on the link in my description box down below and join my free Telegram group where I post these links and everything you need to know about $0 airdrop. Interested in making your first millionaire in 2025 as a total beginner? Click on the link in my description box down below and I will show you how. With that being said, I remain your host, Sophie Tamara, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.